Well, my new EDC VG10 62 Rockwell. My previous, I started test, but the video, the camera went wonky. I made 420 cut the half-inch sisal, and the edge start out with phonebook paper, and right now currently it's still slide phonebook paper. I will continue from here. Just too bad that anyway, now I start from 420. $1,000 cut, half-inch sisal rope, and this still slide phonebook paper. In this edge of this knife is using Edge Pro at 12 degrees per side, but after I carry and test it around, I get freehand like this on this diamond plate like this. And this is probably about 1,000 grit here, and sometimes I did use the 600 grit before, and then mostly I've been hitting it with 1,000 grit diamond plate. Anyway, I'm happy with this EDC. I'm having that. Thanks for watching.